Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Kontakt 6 or later, and the Exhale library must be installed and authorized. Once done, set your DAW's audio buffer to 128/256 samples and select your CO or core audio driver so latency stays low. Now open a new Kontakt instrument slot and load an Exhale preset or multi. This immediately exposes the core controls like engine, FX, and dynamics. Doing this first gets you into sound shaping quickly rather than stalling on trivial setup. You now shape the core performance. Tweak the engine adser to control attack and release so syllables breathe naturally, and set glide for legato transitions. Then, use Xmod and an LFO to add subtle pitch or filter movement. Key scaling helps keep low notes full while taming highs. Once you have movement, route parameters to MIDI CC for live control. Finally, apply Exhale's built-in EQ, compressor, and reverb to glue the sound into the mix. This is how tone becomes usable. You finish by automating key parameters like filter cutoff or breath level and record your performance to MIDI or bounce audio stems so your parts are recallable. Make final gain and stereo adjustments, then export at 24-bit/48K for consistent quality. If you need to move projects, save a Kontakt multi with samples. If CPU spikes or dropouts occur, reduce polyphony, disable unused FX, or increase the buffer to 512 samples. This single tip resolves most playback stability issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.